Hello. I'm gonna fix the crazy bathroom.
Ooh.
Oh, I gotta grab my iPhone just in case. Did you just hurt yourself?
No, it's just the bag. Okay, so this is what we saw. Ugh.
So
You guys ready?
disgusting.
Look how disgusting that is, you know?
Lily's gonna be the video
Recorder. So here we are in the bathroom together.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay.
So Jasmin Mom is now gonna clean the toilet.
I'm not cleaning it.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing it.
Fixing the toilet.
What's the problem? Oh, maybe because this. Oh, the water is so cold. Oh, how do you do this? You have to slide.
Look at her.
It's flushing now. Oh.
If you guys don't know what just happened, the water just like spurted out.
Oh shit. That's not funny. Oh shit.
What'd you do?
It's pouring like crazy.
Jasmin,
Yeah?
what'd you do?
Huh?
What'd you do?
I don't know. Look, come over here. Look. It's
See
pouring.
that water?
Maybe I have to flood this somewhere. Okay.
You just gonna let that be? What if it floods?
It won't.
How do you know?
I don't know. Hopefully.
Watch
This
it
is the plumber. Look at that!
Yay! Good job. Good job,
That's gonna be my
Jasmin.
major.
Plumbing, fixing toilets, all that.
Thank you. Come again.